Hi friends, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel.
Hi, welcome everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss about ebook selling. Don't worry if you are not a writer. No one was when they started. If you want to become good at something, you have to start doing it. And if you continuously work on that, then you will learn how to become good at it. Ebook writing is an art that requires creativity. If you have any thoughts of writing something, then you must start doing it. Although this is not easy, but don't underestimate yourself. If you will be able to publish a high quality book, then one book will help you earn a lot. The most important thing is focusing on the high quality content. I am sharing some websites where you can list your books, and these are PyHip, Sales, Fever, Amazon, Fire, Blurb, Google Play, and eJunkie. Thanks everyone. I will see you at the next lecture. Hi, welcome everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of selling ebooks. Let's start with the advantages. The first advantage is you have full control on what is inside your book. Since you are not writing for any institute or a company, you can write whatever you want. Also, you can design its cover according to you. The second advantage is you can choose the price of your ebook on your own. Like if you want to print and generate audio form of your ebook and use them to increase sales. Now let's discuss the disadvantages. The first disadvantage is you will have to spend a lot of time to write and edit a great book. Also, if you are not good at editing, then you will have to hire an editor and that will cost you a lot. But that depends on the size of your book. The second and the last disadvantage is you will have to invest so much time on marketing your book. So you cannot take a risk to write a low quality book, because a low quality book will not be sold and you will fail in generating passive income. If you want to write a book, then consider these advantages and disadvantages. Thanks everyone. I will see you at the next lecture. Hi, welcome everyone. In this lecture, I will give you a list of niches for ebook selling. This list is a little long because it covers so many niches. If you want to download the list, then check out the resources in this lecture. You can write an ebook in any of these niches and make profits. If you want to really succeed in ebook selling, then you must write content that can be understood by a layman. That means anyone who reads your ebook get your message very easily. So let's start. The first one is adoption. Then we have advertising, Alzheimer's, anger management, anti-aging, anti-keying, anxiety, archaeology, arthritis, asthma, astronomy, back pain, backpacking, beauty, becoming a nurse, bird training, boating and sailing, bowling, boxing, camping and hiking, ceramics, chronic fatigue, classic cars, cooking, copywriting, credit problems, hemorrhoids, debt management, decoration, depression, diabetes, divorce, dog training, drop shipping, eating disorders, gardening, golf, greenhouses, hair loss, happiness, headaches, heart disease, hiking, home improvement, horse racing, horses training, confidence, budgeting, learning languages, hunting, interior design, investing, knitting, landscaping, lawn care, life coaching, low fat recipes, making money, marriage advice, martial arts, massage, memory improvement, mental health, motherhood, motivation, mountain biking, muscle gain, mutual fund investing, organic food, parenting, pet problems, photography, pregnancy, psychology, public domain, rafting, real estate, remedies, running, scrapbooking, scuba diving, single parenting, skateboarding, skiing, skincare, snowboarding, stock investing, stop smoking, stop snoring, stress, surfing, swimming, tennis, time management, travel, wedding planning, wedding speeches, weight loss, weight training, woodworking, wrestling, and yoga. If you are good at any one of these, then I suggest you must start working on your ebook. Thanks everyone. I will see you at the next lecture.